Hey y'all, welcome to the Hello Next Brand video series. I am Sharifa, and in this episode, I'll be sharing with you how I batch my content for social media. Batching content takes time and patience. It's good to have a place where you can store all of your content ideas as they pop into your head. For me, this is either using the default Notes app on my iPhone or using the Notion app. In my content planning for Instagram, there are several different branches such as regular image posts, carousels, reels, videos, and stories. So all of those ideas come into play when batching my content. Now I'm gonna take you into my Notion content planning setup for my social media account. So this is how I plan out my Instagram feed. As I mentioned previously, Instagram is my main focus for social media. So here I have a current posting schedule. So I post 3 times a week to my Instagram feed. I post at least one reel video a week, and I repost all of my reel videos every Friday on my Twitter and Pinterest account. And the first step when planning my content for social media is drafting content ideas. And it's in this page where I list out all of my content ideas. So I have a few toggles to the top for general hashtags, design hashtags, etc. Then here I have a quick section of the different types of reels that I might be interested in posting in the future. And here is how I plan out my feed. What I do is I try to list them out as they would appear on my Instagram feed. So May 5th, May 5th, May 4th, May 5th, May 6th, like that. And then I write down what I like to post about on each day. This comes after I have listed out all of the ideas like this, and then I tidy it up to match the dates I would like it to be posted. And then below I just have general things to post about in the future. And then I have a list of real ideas that I would like to post about. So this is the content planning section of my Instagram feed, and this area is where I plan out my feed for Instagram. Whatever I post to Instagram, I also post to my Twitter page, Pinterest, and Facebook. So in my Notion setup, I have it laid out so that it would appear as my Instagram feed would appear. So as you can see here, and I list the title, the type of post, the pillar of the post, the date that it will be posted on, and I have a check box to state whether it was scheduled or not. So this one we're looking for April, we're looking at April 22nd. So once I click on it, I would have the caption and the hashtag for each listed within that section. So this is how I plan my Instagram feed. I usually do this in stages. So one day I will formulate and compile all of my content ideas. And then the next day I will sit down and plan out when I would like them to be posted, and also design the graphics for each of these posts. And that is how I set up my Instagram feed. My Instagram Reels is very similar as well. I have a posting schedule. I have a list of upcoming reel ideas, just general reel ideas. And then I have a tutorial one as well. So I have all of my upcoming reels here. So I have filmed, edited, posted. I also have the caption. I create a quick video outline and the posting date, the type of post it is, as well as a cover image. This is important for me because when scheduling reels, basically you can't schedule reels. So I have my reels saved in a draft. So when I'm ready to post, I will just come into Notion from my phone, save the photo on my phone to add it in the reel, copy the caption and the hashtag, and then post to my feed. And then I have posted reels, and this serves as a database for all of my past reel videos, so I share these on my Pinterest and my Twitter regularly. And there you have it, a quick overview of how I plan my content for social media. Now, if you would like to steal my social content planning hub within Notion, I have a template just for you. Introducing the Social Hub, Social Content Hub within Notion. This page holds all the information you'll need to get started on planning your social media content the right way. Click the link below and head to my website to purchase this template. This is just a quick preview of what is included in the template. So you get the social media hub section. You have an Instagram scheduling, IG reel scheduling, blog post, pending blog post, newsletter, and video content scheduling pages as well.